Hey, so I got some bad news for you. I'm back. That's good, actually. But Santa finally escaped. Don't you think a guy that spies on kid is kinda sus? And trust me, we were better off when he was in captivity. But unfortunately, he escaped, so I can go back to make videos now. Anyway, all jokes aside, I'm Lamp. I hope you like the new location. This is where I live now. And I also got 2 monitors now, so I have double the development power. So if you don't know me, I'm Lamp, I'm a full-time developer, and for some reason, the thing that I like to do when I come back home from work after 8 hours of coding is coding. Today I wanna talk about a little prototype that I started working on, 2 years ago. Yeah, I got some free times during these holidays and I decided to spend it to take it back from the grave and start working on it back again. So let's cut to the chase. What's this game about? Have you ever played a survival game? Did you ever get bored of cutting down trees and getting materials by hand? Worry not, for I have the solution. In my game, you mostly won't have to do that. Yeah, I know, that's a very fresh idea. It was 2 years ago when I came up with it, and I think it's still up to this day. So the idea of this game is to build robots and machines to help you in the most boring tasks, so that you can focus on the fun stuff like fighting, exploring, and other stuff like watching the materials go up in your chest without doing nothing. Yeah, just like a CEO. But you don't have to worry about an Italian guy coming and shooting you. Oh no, oh no! What you say? So when I got back to the project, some features were already implemented. I implemented the base where you will get your materials from, and also there were already robots, and I also created a system to place materials that can be collected by the robots. So you can build a base or multiple bases where the materials are stored, and each base needs to be connected to the place where the resources are found by using some waypoints. It's a bit like the oxygen in Astroneer, so you have to be connected to the main base to actually get to the resources. So basically the waypoints will discover the materials and the robots will get the information about where to find the material from the waypoints. Easy, right? So after the robot is told by the waypoint where to go, this marvel of engineering and design will follow the path to go to the material and get it, and then get back to the base. Also, Pasmi made a great job of this model. So at this point, I decided some models were needed for the game to look good. And I added a model for the player that I got from Mixamo with some animations. And then I also made a model for the base and a model for the robot. And look how cute this guy is. He really is cute, right? He's super cute, and better of all, he's not stolen from any other brand. Anyway, what was I talking about? Yeah, I also added the crafting tables, and this uses a scriptable object system to create the recipes. And I also did the same for the old resource system that was using some enums, and I switched to using scriptable objects just to make it easier to add new objects so that everything is comprised in one single item with the UI, the stats and everything else. So at this point I realized I didn't add an inventory system yet, and also you couldn't get the materials from the base. So I added that. For now it's a little bit empty, this will need some work, but I will work on it in the future. And for now you just get all of the items from the base, and in the future of course I will make it work a bit more like Minecraft, for example, where you can just drag the items from one inventory to another. And also I will need to limit the space in the inventory, maybe adding a weight system to the items, and also I will need to limit the inventory slots for the base. So this is pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more, tell me. And if you have any ideas for the game, be sure to post it in the comment section so that I can steal them. I mean, take inspiration. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.